So here we are with the QuietKat IBEX model. And I guess this is considered a 2023. And this is kind of our back cassette. Some of the teeth don't look so good, and I ordered a new one. Also note, I'm not sure the size of these sprockets yet. We'll look at that probably in a separate video. But I did notice, which I had never noticed before after trying to align everything, the derailleur, that, and noticing the teeth are pretty shot on this, that, and there's not many miles on it, by the way, that this cassette is different than this one on the Rubicon. This is a 40 tooth. I got some of the numbers off of here. So what I'm going to do is change out this cassette because it's shot. I ordered one off Amazon. I have never done this in my life. I've ordered a tool, which is in here. Let's open that up. There's the tool. There's the, take the cassette off. And that should work, I hope. To take the cassette. And then here is the cassette I got. I think it was like 30 bucks. I don't know. It looks more heavy duty than what's on the bike currently. So I don't know. It had good reviews. Wasn't too expensive. Again, I've never done this. Top one is 40. Bottom one should be 11. I see that one says 15 right there. And if it's put on correctly, you see it's in order. I couldn't find all of them on the QuietKat. But I think it's just because it's cheap and it's like stamped or something. I don't know. 13 tooth, and I'm guessing this is the 11 tooth. Somewhere on there, I'm sure it says 11. So anyways, yeah, that's what I have. And I'm going to give this a whirl and see how this goes. So, got to take apart the chain, right? So I have a chain tool. So if you buy the tool, it comes with a chain brake. Don't really need that, but you'll need this, or you'll just need to be able to pull this together to be able to get off the master link. So what you use for that is these. And so I will try to place you in a way that you can watch. So there you guys go, right there. And what you'll want to do is maybe even pull a little bit further. Have that down at the bottom, the link. And then you take this and you go up in there. And that's kind of a pain. Bend that link. There we go, squeeze. They pop out. Unlike a motorcycle chain with a clip on one side, they look like this on both. So kind of interesting from not used to bicycle stuff. And you just undo that, and then just, oh, it's because I can't turn that. Unfortunately, I don't have a bike lift, so there we go. Bicycle lift is, they hold it by the seat post. Now I can just pull up. That will come out. Set the chain off to the side. And there we have that. So now chain is off. Pretty straightforward there. So what I need to do is take out the axle and remove the rear wheel. Shouldn't be too hard, although I think I'm trying to recall if I've done it. No, I haven't done it. So this is actually a good opportunity also to grease all that up good. It looks like it's an Allen. Nope. Bigger. Nope. Bigger yet. Is that a 6? Yep, it's a 6. Okay. So you take your 6mm Allen, put it in there. and undo it. They even give you torque specs on the axle, 10 Newton meters. There we go. Just pull it out. Oh, does it drop down? There we go. Be careful with the derailleur and just pull it out like that. Take your bucket. Buckets come in handy. Huh, that goes in there like that. Okay, I was like, nothing's gonna fit in there. That's thin enough. Just drops in like so. Things I learn. Okay. Oh, just like so. That was quite easy. There you have it. I'll have the link to all these tools. Because we're not a bike shop, it's just be my Amazon affiliate link. And I just bought reasonable tools, reasonable cassette. You know, obviously you can spend buco bucks on this stuff. So, okay. Let's go ahead and take that off. I can lift it all straight up. Apparently there's a pin. I'm guessing the pin went in here. Yep. There's a couple in there. It just fell out like that. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but okay. So here's the new one. I probably should clean that up, huh? So I got a rag. So yeah, it fits. I just want to make sure this fit on here before I cleaned it all up. I got some AMSOIL silicone spray, pretty good stuff. We sell this at the shop here. AMSOIL is always good. Just kind of use it to clean it and provide a coating. Cool. Take that. I mean, they're hooked together. It looks like this is hooked together, screwed together with Allen's. So that's all solid. Oop. Now, because I turned everything, I have to find the correct keyway. Is it that one? It's that one. Okay. There we have it. That's on there like so. Then you drop on your 13 tooth and drop it on so they're in order with the numbers that are here. So if you wanted to check, you could. This is 11. So you find the spot. Guess that's good. This has like a little washer and anodized piece. Okay, that goes like so. And this actually says 40 Newton meters, which we don't have bike stuff, like I said, so. That's probably pretty good right there. If you work with bikes a lot, motorcycles, you kind of learn, you know, you're pretty much there. I don't think that's going to fall off, for example. Yeah, that just looks nice. This looks much better than the stock one. What's the stock one look like? Oop, it all just came apart on me. Huh. So the stock one, yeah, it all came apart. Has these plastic spacers in between. Like, okay. Like I said, this one, let's get the sizing off all these. I'm not going to keep them, so I'll just take it totally apart. Look for the sizing. And that was the other thing. I couldn't find any on here. I'm sure there is. But so the IBEX, the biggest gear, is 34. So we got 34. The stamping on this does not stand out like it does on this one. Okay, I have to clean this very well to get the number. This is a 30 tooth. Thank goodness for the power of video editing. 26 tooth, 23 tooth, 20 tooth, 17 tooth, 15 tooth. I think it says 13 tooth, and I'm guessing 11 tooth. And then here's the lock ring. That is 11, so it's probably pretty standardized, but I have no idea. Maybe you don't know either, because no one seems to talk about this stuff on the Facebook pages. So that's how you change that. That was very, very simple for an IBEX. And so this pattern is going to be like the Rubicons going up to the 40 tooth versus being, I think I said 34 tooth. So that's pretty good difference there, and people don't talk about that. So let's do the reverse and put it on, and then I'll bring you to the final setup. There's plenty of setup, the derailleur videos on YouTube, but you know, I'll briefly mention it if I have to do any tips or tricks. Like I said, this seems like a pretty good sprocket. I don't know. It seems like even an expensive one that the ones I found were like 80 bucks, right? And I know the road bikes, I mean, they can go up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars because they're probably using like lightweight, probably titanium and stuff at a certain point, you know, lightweight material. Do we really care on something like this? I would say most people don't. You're not going to notice a few grams here or there, even a few pounds. So this is on. That was easy. I'm actually shocked that was that easy. Okay, I'll continue on. So I just want to show, I use red and tacky. There was like very much nothing on here. So let's go ahead, add a little grease to this axle. So it's inside there. It's smoother. It's you know, it's just going to be better. Plus, grease prevents if you go through water, get wet, washing. Although this is aluminum, still, you know, kind of keeps water out. Oh, hit the brake pad. So I got this back on. Looks good. Got the axle tight. A light coat of grease, clean up any excess that might squish out. And that's like butter. Yeah, it's like butter. So we're good there. Everything felt good. That looks good just by initial looking at that. Now I'll go ahead and feed the chain back on, which now I'll just take it off the lift, because now then I can feed the chain on easier. It doesn't need to be on the lift, just need it on something to, you know, take the tire off. Let's see, right to about the middle, so that side's good. So this way, and then it looks like it's around here. So nope. Chain goes that way, then you feed it through these, the derailleur, I don't know what you would call them, rollers. And then, oop, there we go. So then you just pull it like so, grab that side. Well, first you grab your hook, grab into there, then go pretty far. That lets you have it dangle, be even. Take that, toss it on, toss on that side, take this, have it together, and then pull out, and it snaps in. You're good to go. And then just bada boom, bada bing, just like that, chain is back on. Okay, this is where we need to adjust because it is, oh, it is on the lowest. I'll be damn. That actually sounds pretty damn decent. So I was actually shocked. I thought it would be worse. And I'm no expert at this part of everything. That seems good. The high, think of it as hard for the low gear, small gear, which would be harder. And I want to look at where the teeth are. I can look at where the teeth are, and I can decide like, okay, maybe this needs to come out or push it in, and we'll put it that way. More this way will make it so it comes more towards you, or you can push it in and it will go towards the bike. That's actually not bad. Let's see if it goes through all the gears. I'm actually kind of surprised. So just light power. Oh, jump 2. At least it sounds good. Oh yeah, up on top. Occasionally it jumps a couple gears. See, this is where I'm not qualified enough to know exactly if I just adjust the barrel up at the bar or what, but I have my buddy Aaron, we'll have him take a look at it, but at least the cassette doesn't have any wrecked teeth. The other cassette just had wrecked teeth, so you know, some seemed like broken teeth or bent or whatever, I don't know. I know the teeth are slightly different to help it derail and what have you. I don't know, something on the stock one just didn't seem right, and this does sound a lot better. So I'm thinking the chain is now at least engaging correctly. It might just need fine tuning, which unfortunately, I'm not the expert there. But to show you the other adjustment at the bars, on the IBEX, you have this adjustment right up here, right at the bar. So it has clicks. You can, one click, each way is a click. So if you say go 2 clicks, loosen, or because it would be tightening the wire. 1, 2, 1, 2. So there we have it. I will let Aaron finish it up, but that's how you do that. If I can do this, you can do this. And I'm just surprised more people on the QuietKat Facebook page don't give helpful information or videos or tips and tricks, because a lot of us have no idea what we're doing with the mountain bikes. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Now that I see that this works, and maybe cassettes are fairly standardized, but people won't tell you that. Like, I still don't know how many links is in the factory chain because no one will say. So when I'm looking up a chain, people will just say, go to the manufacturer site and buy their chain. Why would I pay them $30, $80 for a chain when I can get the same chain or same quality of chain, even if it's a different make, from Amazon for half the price? It makes no sense. So I'm doing these videos to help people out. So anyways, hopefully this helped you out. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.